Portions of our lawn were dry and dying.
So we looked at the sprinkler operation and found that some pop-ups were sticking and some were only coming up a little way. Therefore, the surrounding grass blocked the spray from reaching some areas. First, we'll show you how we fix the sticking pop-ups by installing a new stem with new cap and seal. Then we'll show an entirely new way to fix low sprinklers. Remove the old cap. If needed, hold the housing using channel locks. Buy a sprinkler head without the nozzle for $2 or $3, but just use the stem and cap. Compress the springs to hold the stems out to switch the nozzle and screen. If the screen is dirty, blow out the debris or install a new one. The new stem slides easily within the new seal without binding. Point the nozzle in the right direction. Reinstall the cap and tighten snugly, but not so much that it rotates the housing. With the new seal and stem, the nozzle rises far enough to spray over the adjacent grass. Now it irrigates the full area. Now we'll show you a new way to fix low or sunken sprinklers. This utilizes a totally new product. When the nozzle doesn't rise far enough due to low pressure or because the entire housing is sunken, then you'll want to elevate the sprinkler. Here's how to install the new product, Sprinkler Lift. Push the grass aside or lift off the ring if necessary. Remove the cap. If the housing turns, just hold it with channel lock pliers. The housing extension has an O-ring on its lower end. Screw the extension onto the housing until you feel a little resistance from squeezing the O-ring. Use a flashlight to look inside and further tighten the extension until its splines align with the housing splines. Tighten the set screw. An 8-inch No. 2 Phillips or right angle screwdriver works best. Test to make sure the stem assembly slides easily between the extension and the housing. Reinstall the cap and tighten just a little. The sprinkler and nozzle are effectively raised in less than a minute. This new product makes a very fast and easy way to raise a low sprinkler head or nozzle. It's named Sprinkler Lift and it's on Amazon.